If we get in the water.
Dirty photos on my dirty shit. Pretty hoe, but she a dirty bitch. Dirty drugs, I want some dirty shit. All of my niggas, they service shit. He want the proper.
We're in the beach. How you been? You good? I'm in the beach right now. The boy right here is making a fucking. Wait, what are you doing, Alex? I'm gonna cut that audio off, but right now Hector is like over there. You guys can see. Look at that. All the boys from the Golden Clan. Anyways, here comes the boys. Look at Eric, the golden head himself.
Again.
Having it, right?
I think so. I think that's what happened to me.
Hector, you gonna lick me or what? Lick my Alright, we're getting recorded. Hey, chill with that gay shit, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's actually,
Hey, shit, hey, shit. Go then, Bill.
The fat people are fighting! Hi Tristan, how you been? What? Ah!
Right now, fucking that hoe in the villa. Smoking the musty killer.
how much to sit on your bed? Hey, don't pack it in, motherfucker. Won't get out. Hey!
Oh, sh
Let's go fuck it.
Wait, what? What just... Where the head just did? That's my
Back up.
That's my
Back
first
up.
one.
I'm about to.
That's my first one.
Hey, don't ever fuck with me. Don't ever fuck with me.